Hi, I'm Amelia from Nature's Paradise and Travel. I'm here to show you my garden. I have several plants. The first come to flower before spring are the daffodils. I have several patches of daffodils around my garden. This is my apricot tree that is start flowering also. And I have fennel plants around this tree. Also, the rosemary is in flower. I have several patches of daffodils everywhere in my garden. They are looking beautiful. Did you know that daffodils can be quite toxic for some people? Just for touch them or smell them, they can have headaches or feel ill because of this. But also these plants is medicinal. They use that compounds of this narcissus plant to make medication for Alzheimer and dementia. And look at my skyscraper salvia, looking beautiful in the garden. This plant always stole the show. So I have a lot of patches of these beautiful daffodils. They look very nice along with the skyscraper salvia and the other plants in my garden. I really love to have flowers before spring. So if you want to have flowers before spring, plant some skyscraper salvias and daffodils or narcissus in your garden. I remember when I just have a few plants in my garden, and now I have too many plants. I keep planting and planting because I love to see my garden full of flowers and plants. And this garden makes me so happy. When I want to relax, I just come outside to my garden and make me happy to see all these flowers around, especially the daffodils that come early before spring, and the skyscraper salvia are the ones to come before spring. So if you want to have flowers before spring, you plant these beautiful plants in your garden. I have these plants for many years already now. About 4 years ago, I planted this skyscraper salvia, and they are looking amazing. So I'm Amelia from Nature's Paradise and Travel. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, and you can check my channel to see more about these plants that I have in my garden. Thank you very much for all the subscriptions and likes. I always appreciate that you like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.